Unfortunately, over 90% of Etsy sellers are not utilizing AI properly, and they're really leaving money on the table because right now AI can be your superpower, can be your help, can really help boost those sales, can skyrocket your store. It can really help you because AI is what powers Etsy. And now you can use AI, something like ChatGPT, to help you actually get those sales and skyrocket your store really, really quickly. But you need to know how to use it. So, on this video, I want to show you 3 powerful prompts that you can use, that you can craft, that you can copy, in fact, that will really help you boost those Etsy sales quickly. Now, guys, my name's AJ. I do all things AI, Etsy, digital products, and all of that good stuff selling online. I have a channel of over 800 videos, all dedicated to things like this. So remember, if you do love digital products and you love selling online, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now, listen, guys, check this out. I'm on ChatGPT right now. Okay. Now I've crafted a fantastic prompt, which is going to really help you. And remember, I've got 3 of these, so stay right to the end to check these out. Now, the first listing is this. Now, as you know, titles are absolutely paramount. Your listing is really all about getting pushed through SEO. If you want your listing visible, if you want your listing to be seen or the Etsy algorithm to favor it, it must have keyword enriched words. It must have great SEO. The title must be full of those fantastic keywords. Your tags must be on point. Your product description must also be written in such a beautiful, cohesive way, and also in a way that can help convert those sales and for the customer to be irresistible, to look at your listing and it's irresistible. That's how you should be doing it, because there are millions of Etsy sellers out there. And guys, I'm telling you now, if you can't stand out, then forget the sales. You need to be standing out. So you need to make sure that in terms of characters, the written part, the title, forget the listing images. We'll put that on the side for now. But I'm talking about the written aspects, the title, the tags, the product description, these big, big, big items that you need to make sure that you're putting correctly and you're making sure that they're coming together cohesively. So let's get ChatGPT to craft this. Now, check out my screen. And remember to copy this, right? Please take a look at my Etsy listing at this link. Remember, you need to provide the link of your store. It's so, so important. I would appreciate your feedback on how to enhance its SEO. I'd like suggestions for the title, the description, the tags, the listing images. Also, please include relevant keywords and a pricing strategy that can help increase sales. Any practical tips to boost the listings visibility in Etsy search, which is important because some people just forget saying Etsy search and they think, it could be Google or something else. No, Etsy search would be greatly valued. Now, you can go further. You can say, please analyze winning listings in my niche, and you can put your niche there, whatever it is that you sell, your product, whether you sell, now don't just say digital products, don't keep it open, you have to be specific, say clip art, say, Tumblr wraps, whatever it is that you specifically sell. Please analyze winning listings in my list from best sellers to help craft and include those suggested, you can say those suggested keywords, right? So you can add to it, but I think this will really help because then ChatGPT will be looking around, seeing what's working, studying Etsy, looking around, what's actually helping push those other listings that are working, and give you some fantastic feedback for your SEO, right? But these are the kind of things that you have to do. And in fact, this is the kind of thing that you need to be talking to ChatGPT on a regular basis. I'll be honest, you got to treat it like your PA, your best friend, your business partner, and always talk to ChatGPT, because the more they understand what you do, and remember, include those links to your listings, your store, let it review your store, study your store. This is another thing that I really want to touch on in the video, is that let Etsy go away and study your store, understand what you're about, what you're trying to do, understand your goals, your aims, what you're trying to, how many sales you're trying to get. Talk to Etsy like it's your business partner, like you're trying to grow a business together, because what you'll find is that whenever you ask questions, it's going to have that backstory, it's going to have that back information. So whenever it answers or responds to you in future, there'll be an element of understanding, there'll be an element of knowing where you're coming from, where you're trying to go, what you're trying to do, and how you're trying to sort of grow your business. So I'll always say, and I've said it in my earlier videos, my first videos when I'm talking about talking to ChatGPT, is always speak to ChatGPT, always give them the information, always give them those, the data, right? Let ChatGPT understand, where you are, what you're trying to do, what sales you've got, how you're going to improve, and what niche you're in, and anything really that's going to help. Okay, so that's your first one. That's hopefully going to craft your fantastic SEO. Remember, do this for your next listings. Start creating this for your new listings so that you can see the difference. And remember, for the title, there's something also that you need to make sure that you do. Remember the guidelines on the new title style. Remember, it's not all about keyword stuffing and repetition. It's about crafting a title that really does write nicely in a sort of reading format, in a book format, where the customer's experience is enhanced. So remember, check out my Etsy guidelines on how to craft fantastic titles that meets the new Etsy algorithm, the new sort of guidelines, if you like, that they require. Anyway, that's the first one. Let's look at the next one. Okay, I'll be real. One of the most underrated things that people really focus on is their Etsy store or shop. They seem to focus a lot on listings and leave their shop. No branding or poor branding, poor design work. It's just an absolute mess, and it's a bit sad to see. So I've crafted this great prompt that's going to also help your store improve and help even convert those sales, because this is what you need to do, guys. You need to help convert sales through any means, not just through listings. The shop is the one big thing that you can actually help, that is underrated, that really can help convert those sales. So this is what I've written. I'd love to enhance my Etsy shop's conversion rate. Here's the link to my shop. Obviously give you a link. I'm looking for 20 actionable steps that I can implement quickly, ideally within 24 hours, to boost sales and make my shop look more like the best sellers in the shop niche. Remember, the niche that you're in. Any tips to help me achieve this would be greatly appreciated. I always like this nice polite tone, even to ChatGPT, because I feel like they're going to give me something back. Really cool, right? So this is your second prompt, and this is what I'm saying. We're focusing on listings, like actionable steps on the listings, and then actionable steps on the shop itself. So we're trying to target different parts of the business, if you like. And this one's very important. And this one's something that I really advise many Etsy sellers really work on your Etsy store. Just make sure that your bio, the written bio also is something that, and you'll see that the ChatGPT will probably come back if your bio is not great. Policies and other things that you've included on the store, might come back with certain colors that you should use with regards to your Etsy store, because it's more in line with the niche that you're selling. So there will be actionable steps, and I like to number actionables. There's quite a lot there, 20. I've mentioned I want 20. You can obviously, ask for more or less, but 20 is quite a big number, good number that you can get done as well, right? So I definitely like to do something like that and really focus on my listings, my store. If I don't see that they are working together in sync, giving a great improvement. So this is a really big one, guys. Definitely get working on this. Remember, copy the prompt and let's get going with this cracking. Okay, last but not least is this one. And this is really important. I feel like a lot of people don't utilize social media properly, and they don't utilize marketing properly. I'll be honest. And it's a shame. People think they can just make sales just by sticking a listing up on the platform. And no, guys, there are millions of sellers out there, and everybody is fighting to try and get the sales. So you need to do as much as you can to help convert those sales. Social media is massive. You need to be thinking about TikTok. You need to be thinking about Pinterest. You need to be thinking about Instagram. These are all proven ways that you can use very simply by just maybe creating, not by putting any extra work in. You can actually just use the same designs that you're selling on Etsy, put them up on posts, social media, talk about them, and push those designs. And before you know it, you'll get a trending viral video, and everybody will be jumping on your page, looking at the link, which should be there for your Etsy store on the homepage, where they can click and go to your store. And if it's a design that everyone's saying, wow, it's amazing, they'll go and buy it. You need to get traffic through other ways. But anyways, this is what I've done. I've said, create a targeted marketing plan for my Etsy shop with a special focus on Q4 strategies. One thing I did forget is to include, remember, the link to your shop on the prompt so it can go back and study it. Create a targeted marketing plan for my Etsy shop with a special focus on Q4 strategies tailored to my specific product niche. Now, remember, you don't have to say Q4 strategies. You can say, well, I've said a special focus. because Q4 is big, but you can say focused on maybe the whole calendar year and those important times of the year, but tailored to my specific product niche. And remember, mention what your niche is, put it in brackets. I'm looking for effective social media marketing idea, including the best platforms to leverage. Okay. Additionally, include email marketing strategies that are proven to be both efficient and effective. Please share what strategies are most successful for Etsy sellers and can be realistically implemented within a week. Again, I put a timeline on it, something that can be actionable really quickly, guys. But yeah, this is the other part of the Etsy business, which is the marketing side and the email marketing, social media marketing. This is honestly one really big part of your business, and it should be a big focus because many of you are not focused on this. Many of you are just sort of solely on the platform, Etsy platform, and you're not looking around on what people are doing. You'll be surprised to see, or you may not be surprised to see, that so many of those really big sellers are leveraging social media massively, and you need to be on that too. And now, I'm not saying, you need to do all of it. If you don't have the time, start at least with one social media that you're familiar with. Start with TikTok, start with Pinterest, start working on one of these and start building it slowly, because I understand it can be quite a lot. It can be daunting, can be a lot of work. But if you just start small, and bit by bit you will actually get the hang of it and you'll start building before you know it. So guys, those are 3 fantastic prompts which you can utilize right now. Copy these please, use these please, and hopefully it will get you those sales as quick as possible. But guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget, check out my stand store for workshops, freebies, and all sorts of things. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.